Hi there, you're welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Edosa Aigabai, and in this video, I want to show you how you can make a flyer for your social media campaign. A social media campaign, whether you need to run an ad on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, whatever social media campaign it is that you're using or you're making use of for your business to actually get in touch with your clients, or you want to get in touch with a larger community of people to identify with your brand. All right, there is a kind of flyer that is expected of you to create. So I'm going to show you how to create that, because Facebook, for example, have a way of not making your ad perform the way it should, especially if your flyer have a lot of text on it. So I'm going to show you the flyer that I want us to create. It's actually the flyer we put out there for people to engage a lot of people so that they can acquire the smartphone graphics design skills at a subsidized rate. The whole essence is to engage a lot of minds as a result of the pandemic that we are in, considering the fact that lockdown was declared in almost all the parts of the world. So this is the flyer that I want us to create right now. This particular one is looking so easy. Somebody asked me how was I able to get this done. I smiled because there are just a little bit of techniques and some level of creativity that you need to have to be able to create something like this. Of course, I know everybody is creative, and whether you like it or not, you need to know that design is intelligence. So each time you see yourself designing something or creating some beautiful designs or just imagining things, it simply means that you are intelligent, as long as what you're imagining is on the right track or in the right dimension. All right, so let's head straight into our Canva mobile app right away. All right, this is our Canva mobile app right now. So I would like you to do something for me. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on any tutorial each time we drop it out on our YouTube channel. All right, so let's head straight to business right now. So I'm in my Canva. I'm going to click on that plus sign. I'm not changing the page dimension, so I'm just going to check on this immediately. Check on it, and we're good with that. The next thing I'll do is I'm going to click on this plus sign here. I'll click on it, then I write straight to my illustration, tap on my shape, then I move, scroll up, move it up till I am able to get the particular kind of shape that I want, which is this one. I'm gonna tap on it, and don't forget, use this and this to actually expand, increase the size. Use it to increase the size. All right, don't forget that, and we'll break it down here. The next thing we'll do is that we're going to change the color to color blue. I love color blue a lot. Change the color to color blue, and that is what we have. The next thing we want to do is that we're going to get another shape again. We're going to get circle. Get this particular shape. Okay, this is what we have. Bring it down here. Let me see if they are of the same size. Okay, fantastic. Reduce this one a little. Bring it down here. This is what we have. Let me see the colors that we use. Okay. So I'm going to change this particular color to sky blue color. All right. This is what we have. Then I'm going to duplicate it, change the color to navy blue. Okay. Then reduce the size. Okay. Then I'll duplicate it again, change the color to blue, reduce the size. Okay, then I'll duplicate it again, change the color to this one, reduce the size. That is what we have. Yeah, then we'll repeat the process again, duplicate it, bring it down here. Let's see what we have. Okay, fantastic. Let's see, reduce it. Okay, bring it down here, duplicate it, change it to navy blue, reduce it, bring it down here. Okay, duplicate it again, reduce it, change it to this color blue, reduce it, bring it down here, duplicate it again, Then we have the last one, and voila, this is what we have. Wow, it's looking so nice. The next thing we want to do is that we're going to add our image. All right, so I'm going to tap on this, then tap on this again, image. Then from my gallery, I'm going to search for a particular image that I'm going to be using to create this design. This is the image that I want to use. Oh, trying to get an image. Try to get an image. This is it. Okay, so this is the image. So the next thing I'll do is that I'm going to expand it, increase the size. Okay, increase it. Okay, and this is what we have. All right. The next thing I'll do is that I'm going to add another image to it again. It's called a background image. So I'm going to click on image, and I'm going to use guy. There's a particular image considering the period that we're in. We're in the era where we just have to use face masks all the time. So I'm going to take this one, right? Going to increase it, and increase again, increase. And this time around, I'm going to send this image back. Okay, so tap on it. I'm going to send the image back. Tap on that. Use this one to send it back. So tap, 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 tap. I keep tapping and tapping and tapping. It's at the back. So the next thing I'll do is that I'll reduce the transparency. All right, tap on that, reduce the transparency, make it faint. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's see if it's looking like what we have here. Awesome. Then the next thing I'll do is I'm going to write my text. Then I'll just write powered by Doza Heights Digitals. Okay, then I want it to spread out on one line. So I'm going to drag it this way. Then I'm going to reduce this, change the color to white, change it to white, make it bold, bring it down. Okay, reduce again, drag it and drop it here. This is what we have. The next thing I'll do is that I'm going to add another shape. Let's go to my illustration, go back to shape. That's the kind of shape I need. It is this one. All right, so I'm going to click on it, click on that, reduce it. Okay, change the color to blue. Let's see, let's make it navy blue. Take it up, drop it here, then get another tap on this button icon, tap on my text, then I'm going to write DHD. Then let me see, I'm trying to make sure it doesn't have, change the color to navy blue so I can see what I'm doing. Of course, the color has to be white. Then I'm going to search for a particular font. There's a font, it starts with an A. We're almost there. Akron shades. Then I'm going to change it to capital letters by tapping on this one. Then I'm going to reduce it, bring it up, change the color to white. Okay, this is what we have. Centralize it, increase it a little, take it up. That's what we have. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my text again. Okay, I'm going to type the company name. Doza Heights Digitals. Okay, I'm going to make it left alignment, reduce the line height. Okay, then I will change the font to Open Sans, reduce the the line height again. Okay, increase the line height a little so it doesn't look clumsy. Reduce it, drag it up, reduce again, and this is what we have. Okay, that's what we have there. Those are height sticky tiles. That's the meaning of DHD. All right, then the next thing is get my text again, type learn. I'll get a particular font. It's called Cantanta 1. Okay, is it on capitals? It's on small letters, so learn. Okay, change it to navy blue. Let me change it to black. I want it to be black in dark color. Okay, then I'm going to drop it here. All right, learn. Then the next one is smartphone. Let me see the fonts that I use. It's still the same Katanta, but in this case, let me make this one this way. Let me see what we have. Okay, change the color to navy blue, reduce it, drop it here, reduce. Okay, then let me see. Okay, the next one is type, get the text tool again, type graphics, and I'm going to look for a particular font. It's actually a script, so it's called a Coget font. This is it. Let me see if it aligns with what we have. No, I think it is Berkshire. Let me see. Berkshire. Berkshire Swash. Then I'm going to put it this way. Let me see. I'm trying to make sure we are on point with our design. All right. Bring it down. Bring this lane. Okay. Now the next thing I'll do is that I'm going to duplicate it. Change the color to sky blue. Drop it on this. Okay. Then the next thing I'll do is get my text tool again. Design like a pro with your smartphone. Okay, change the text, the font here to Open Sans. Okay, reduce it, make it bold. All right, reduce it. Okay, this is what we have. All right, design like a pro. Let me see the letter spacing. Okay, fantastic. It's looking fine and good. What else again are we creating? Okay, so we are done with this design. So the next thing we'll do is that we'll tap on this and we'll save the job. Save as, always save in PNG. Download. Creativity takes courage. So you have to start designing. Just think about something and put it into art. All right, so that's that about